Score above 90% marks or a 9 CGPA in your 10th class board exams? Don't worry at all. Your hard work is about to pay off. There is a fantastic opportunity that can completely take care of your education expenses. If yes, congratulations. But are you now worried about high intermediate college fees, books, and study expenses? Today I will explain complete details about the Vidyadhan Scholarship 2026. In this video, we will look at how you can get 10,000 rupees per year for your intermediate or diploma studies and up to 75,000 rupees per year for your higher graduation degrees. Vidyadhan Scholarship is provided by the Sarojini Damodaran Foundation to support talented students from financially weaker families. This scholarship supports students from intermediate and can continue up to degree or professional courses. Students from multiple Indian states can apply for the Vidyadhan Scholarship 2026. Currently, online applications are available for Andhra Pradesh, Bihar, Goa, Jammu, and Kashmir, Jharkhand, Karnataka, Ladakh, Meghalaya, Nagaland, Odisha, Rajasthan, Tamil Nadu, Telangana, Uttar Pradesh, West Bengal, and Delhi applications will be opening shortly. So, if you belong to any of these states and scored excellent marks in 10th class, this is a great opportunity to get financial support for your higher education. Please note that application deadlines vary for every state. Make sure to visit the official website and check the specific last date for your own state's program. Who can apply? Students who pass 10th in 2026. For general students in states like Andhra Pradesh and Telangana, a minimum of 90% marks, or 9 CGPA, in the 2026 10th/SSC exams is required. 75% for PWD students. Family annual income should be below 2 lakh rupees. If you scored 549 out of 600, that is above 91%, so your chances of eligibility are very high. For intermediate students, scholarship amount can be around 10,000 rupees per year. If you continue performing well, support may continue for degree, B.Tech, MBBS, nursing, and other professional courses too. Now let's see how to apply. First, open the official Vidyadhan website. Create a new account using name, mobile number, email, ID, then select Andhra Pradesh +1 Scholarship Program 2026. Keep these documents ready. 10th. Marks memo, Aadhaar card, income certificate, passport size, photo bank passbook. Many students ask, are college details compulsory? Yes, mostly compulsory, because they may verify your intermediate admission details, so it's better to apply after joining college. How is the selection process conducted? First, students are shortlisted based on marks and income. Then, online screening test interview will be conducted. The screening test usually includes aptitude reasoning, basic maths, English comprehension. Don't worry, the exam is generally not very difficult. Can students receive both Vidyadhan Scholarship and state scholarships? In many cases, yes, because Vidyadhan is a private scholarship while state schemes are separate. If you scored good marks, don't miss this opportunity. Especially students with 90% and above should definitely apply. If this video helped you, please share it with your friends and subscribe for more scholarship and education updates.